Attending this entrepreneur meetup thing for women. I don't know if this hair is working, like clip back, but it's saving at least the front part of my hair from coming on my face. So, like I was saying, I don't think I'm late. I mean, 5 minutes here and there is okay. It's not my fault. I keep saying it's not my fault. I think it is my fault. Verdict is the hair was not working. I don't know, it was just pinned back wrong. So we're back to our usual hairstyle. It's safe, it's going to stay.
I'm a cancer genetics specialist and the owner and founder of Telecine, where you all are. We are very partners for HI. We have two businesses. Both our businesses are run by people with disability. There are 14 distinct disabled communities working with us. We are the first to do that globally. We have been awarded by multiple national and international awards. And as I said, we are a very partner for a lot of community-based activities, HI being one of them. So whenever you want to host the event, we are the partners for you. Thank you.
Forge something in terms of a business, but it's summers. How many of you drank even a single glass of water since morning and did not miss your breakfast? How many of you who missed their breakfast? I am sure I think most of y'all did. Yeah, pani bhi nahi piya hoga. Most of y'all. And that cup of coffee that you take in the morning, and of course you must be rushing कि मेरे को 11 बजे पहुंचना है. I totally understand that, but yes, the tip is, go-to tip is that never miss your breakfast, because you're breaking the fast and you need to have that meal. You need to keep your water intake right. Also at the same time to make sure that there is input and output, the energy consumption, whatever that you eat, needs to get utilized, right? Otherwise it gets stored into the adipose, and you must be very well aware of that. Because you do yoga. I myself was a yoga instructor, by the way. I worked as an RJ for 2 years. And what happened was, I realized that यार तू पूरा दिन बैठना है यार, नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है, तो छोड़ दिया. And then realized that let's get the world moving and let's move on. Bye.
Hello. I can say by passion I am an artist and by profession I am a designer. And since 25 years I was doing interior designing along with paintings too. So first time I am meeting up this group at Meetup. And what I am thinking as I am a homemaker now with my daughter as she is into teenagers, I am with her. And I am doing lots of paintings. And now I am thinking, I am stocking up the paintings, so how to sell them, how to market them. So that's why I am here to meet up beautiful ladies and professional ladies. So how to sell and how you guys can help me out to sell and market them.
Recently graduated as a fashion communication designer, and I also worked at First Cry as the e-commerce merchandiser. That's when I realized that having a 9-to-5 job is not my style. I just had to sit at my cell and browse through websites and make changes and all of that. So that is when I decided that I want to start a business of my own. So currently, me and my team of 2 people, out of which one is my dad and one
How sweet.
and one is a consultant who is basically guiding me on how to start a business. So why I actually decided to start off so early, I've seen a lot of people actually take a few years of experience in job and then go ahead with starting up their own business. But what I feel is how you can't learn to swim by reading books. You cannot learn how to do a business by doing a 9-to-5 job. So now at the moment I am doing my field research and understanding the kids wear market, and I want to registering my own brand.
Millet and millet product supply. I have wide range of unpolished millet. There are flours, sushi, plates, noodles, pasta, khakra, millet bar and so on. So don't just eat nutritious is my tagline. Basically, I know finance. I'm from finance background and having relevant experience in that. But some incidents happen, and then I realized that investment in money is help us to pay hospital bills only. But investment in health helps you to prevent us from stress, depression, and physical pain. So I started this Phakta Paustik, and now I'm focusing on this. Thank you. They are selling polished millet. But when you polish the grain or millet or anything, dal or the actual, the minerals or the nutritional value of that product become less. They looks only wow, it's so nice, but it's not that much healthy. The nutritional, while you polishing the product, not the nutritional value of that product degrades.
I'm abstract artist and I work with highly sensitive people to teach them coping skills to manage their stimulation and overwhelm using abstract art. From here to network and meet like-minded professionals and doing my career.
So why you are attending this event?
Yes, I'm here to meet like-minded people and connect with other people and go together and probably nourish my business sense and take away a few ideas.
Can you elaborate?
I work with highly sensitive people. So I identify as a highly sensitive person. High sensitivity is a trait, it's a genetic trait, it's not a mental health issue. So I work with highly sensitive individuals who have problems around stimulation and overwhelm. It can be too much overwhelming to go through your day without feeling good about yourself. So I use abstract art and my individual guidance to help them navigate their lives. It's been a while since I have given a consultation.
Advice to women because they are so busy in their all these cases. So what helps you?
I'll stick to the basics, less of candy, more of fruit, vegetables, more of flossing, introducing flossing techniques that are healthy for children. Also going for primary health care workshops. When I was a dentist, I used to take a lot of workshops for children where I would go and explain them how to brush your teeth or how to floss, the importance of that. So I encourage parents to take their children to such workshops so that they get the support both the parent and the child can.
I'm a mental health yoga professional. So I help people with mental distress through the science of yoga. And yeah, that's what I do. And I do consulting, I do coaching, and then I do workshops and events for the corporate and in general. That's what my services are. And yeah, I'm really excited to see beautiful faces. And I think I have this very soft corner for women, and through the initiatives that I've taken up, I am a little more passionate about doing it for the women because trust me, and somewhere we don't take care of our mental health because we're trained to be empathetic. The society has been a little harsh on ourselves, कि हाँ तुम तो लड़के हो समझ जाओ, adjust कर लो, ये तो हमने सुना है, right? Hands up for that. So I think, and even if I call all of y'all beautiful right now, how many of us do we really accept it that I am beautiful? Honestly, bata. Right. But I'm pretty sure it took us a while to accept that, right? And for men, I know it's the other way around. I'm pretty sure you agree. Right? So yeah, I have a very soft spot for that matter where women's mental health comes in. So I'll be more than happy to conduct workshops on those lines on how you can take care of your mental health and your physical health through yoga and how you can get that harmony and balance because that's like the villain in our story, right? Okay. Yeah, that's about it. And the challenges that I face is that people, abhi to better hai, but people accepting the fact that they are going through some sort of emotional distress. So yeah, I want to stand here and just make thoda sa आवाज and be like कि यार अपने माइंड पे भी ध्यान देना थोड़ा सा बॉडी तो हो जाएगी ऊपर वाला हमारा ठीक हो जाएगा नीचे वाला हमारा भी ठीक ही हो जाएगा. So yeah, that's what the challenge is about. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, just give me I give you 3 seconds. Recall 3.
Processes, and there is a lot when you are actually turning yourself into a business. So at this stage now, registration process is already on the way. So nowadays systems like India Finance, they make it easy for you to at least start the registration process. But what after that? Now we have to set up, we have to create a system, and in that you provide support.
Yeah, so it is more like, so it's starting. So for me, your business idea is your baby, okay? And what we do, we take care of your baby for a time being, so that once you're ready to take it forward, जब वो एकदम grown up, little bit grown up stage पे जाते हैं, we just provide you that support कि उनको एक basic level पे आता है. So it is starting. I am not saying that if you have a company formation, I just mentioned it because she highlighted it, so I wanted to highlight it that. But it is more like that if you have idea in your mind. That's it. We will help you to build that idea to go. So there are different processes to it. So for some of you are already in the incubation stage, some of you do revenue, so that is acceleration, and then you are in pre-incubation where you just have an idea. So that formation you are आप थोड़े grown up phase पे आपका baby बढ़ चुका है अभी. So basically we also try to get team building in the first stage. अभी वो आपका idea first, that is, you know, जब वो first step लिया होगा तो stress आया होगा ना. So now this is something different. This is the second step. Of course, the structuring, the team building, everything would be there, but we do support you with that because there is a mentor involved, there is a process. We are not coming from a management background, we have to learn the finance, the marketing, everything. So it's all of it. So we do support.
We are actually
And basically in my organization, we do give you one-to-one legal and accounting support. So that is all.
What's your organization's name?
It's AIC Pinnacle, Atal Incubation Center. So basically, it's supported by Niti Aayog, AIC Pinnacle. It's basically an industrial incubation center. Our main group is Pinnacle Industries, who deals in EVs and manufacturing. So this is a very new thing for them also, the womenpreneur stuff. And I was very, very keen to do it. So I'm already, into research and everything, and I'm about to launch. The program is ready. So I'm very keen that at least few people will join.
Because a lot of incubation centers do aid the launchpad levels and the impact levels of an organization. ठीक है? तो आप अभी कहाँ पे कौन से स्टेज में हो? आप जो स्टार्ट कर रहे हो आप you have taken off. Which level are you on currently? Proprietor. Currently, you are thinking of going ahead as a partnership and LLP, limited liability partnership. So now you need to be very well aware of what compliances you need to follow in terms of an LLP. वो आप खुद से नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि आप उस background से हो ही नहीं. So you will have to, of course, get to her, or maybe you have to yourself design a plan wherein you hire people that can do that. So आपके लिए आ जाते हैं वहाँ पे सारी की सारी legal advisory services like CA, CS and all of that. Why I'm saying this because when we started off as proprietor. There was one proprietor there. ठीक है, but हम 4 लोग थे. But we knew that somehow proprietorship is not going to scale very much. And then we, transformed ourselves into a private limited company. Lots of benefits. You get your startup certificate as well if you are under the categories and if you have set up criteria for yourself. But then of course we were not a SEZ, that is a special economic zone company, and that is the reason why we were not able to get that already. But at the same time, company formation, again, you being someone who's a very integral part of the organization should be aware what are the intricacies of it, कि इसका basic क्या है, आपको क्या क्या लगेगा, components of the company. So for that you need to set up the basic thing, and it is always good to have a partner. It is always good to have a person who is very very diligently and very formally educated in terms of that. अगर आपको company को scale भी करना है तो जैसे कि for example I have 4 people. ठीक है, तो 4 लोग हैं हम, जिसमें से 2 completely nutrition, fitness, they are like the tech people, like CTOs, and I majorly come from tax background, tax, GST, accounts. तो masters मैंने commerce में कर रखा है, जहाँ से I had some information regarding the financial ends, and that is the reason why when I got into the foundation team, I made sure that my intellect was utilized in a proper way. इसीलिए maximum times आप legal help लो, मुझे फिर भी legal help की जरूरत पड़ी. So I have a CS, I have a CA. Alright, and I have a POSH committee too. So it is like we're completely under the corporate structure and we're following all the compliances. And again, when it comes to a business, you are the ones who can understand the problem and deviate the solution. You are the ones who can understand कि आपको कौन से लोग चाहिए, आपको कौन चाहिए होगा. मुझे पता था मुझे स्टार्टिंग में मार्केटिंग करनी है, सेल्स करना है, मुझे एक सेल्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव भी चाहिए होगा. लेकिन सेल्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव वो वाला नहीं कि साबुन ले लो दरवाजे पर जाओ, वो वाला नहीं. कंसल्टेंट चाहिए who can be the advocate of my service. Advocate as in who can tell people that you have to be healthy, fitness related, right? So I want consultant. So I understood that कौन से people, कौन से लोग मुझे लगेंगे. So right people at the right time. And that is what we did to the placements. And then, while fit में ना एक साथ तक placement department भी नहीं था. अब placement department है, sales department है, marketing department है. There is a full-fledged, I would say, training, technical, nutrition, technical, जो कभी किसी gym में नहीं होता है. And that is the reason why we are not a regular company. So understanding your own needs and hiring right people at right place, it will be the go-to thing for you.
Every month, Saturday this event is happening. So do join if you liked it, the entire idea about it. Anything which you would like to share insight, how we can improve ourselves would be very much helpful. Anyone who wants to join the group of WhatsApp, there is 500 plus people around it who are there. Just take this QR code from me and I'll just scan and give it to you. Apart from that, do help each other because everyone has taken out their time, productive time to network, grow, learn from each other. So do help each other outside the session. Thank you so much for taking out the time for today. I understand and respect the women's time, taking a lot of household stuff, with spending time with your loved ones, not doing that, and you are here. So we really respect and take care. And let us try to understand how we can make this event much better for all of us, where we can invest our time wisely and actually learn something out of it.
Some ice cream. Guess my favorite flavor. I'm very predictable and I play it safe. The only good thing about this weather is cold things are so good. How do people record and eat? Do you believe in the 5-second rule? I'm so happy. Today was such a productive day. This goes to show you that even if you don't feel like doing something, sometimes you should. Because being lazy is, it's not a bad thing. What am I saying? Do whatever you feel like doing.